Please take a look at the robotic process automation. Fila Group will identify and engage key business case stakeholders across Department of Labor to identify those processes that are potentially suitable for automation. Business process assessment is critical to identifying and prioritizing. The ideal candidate process for RPA is one that follows clearly defined business rules with minimal interruption/manipulation or exception handling. Figure 1 lists the characteristics that make a process suitable for automation. As we identify processes suitable for automation, our team will create an automation roadmap of DOL processes that are ranked and prioritized using our proprietary scoring methodology that considers the number of different clicks, screens, systems, and volume with each process. Proof of concept. We understand that RPA toolsets have been deployed and in use by DOL, and as such, there may be a limited need to prove the overall concept of RPA within the DOL environment. However, when necessary, we will develop RPA POCs to gauge the organizational readiness of individual Department of Labor business units interested in automation requirements and to educate business unit stakeholders on RPA. All Fila Group RPA POCs follow a controlled approach where 1 or 2 processes are automated in a test environment. Building an RPA POC in advance of any full-scale technology transformation program is key to understanding the moving parts and costs that may be incurred ahead. Pilot. We believe that pilots are an important part of RPA solutioning and that they deliver quick wins that can be communicated to senior management and other key stakeholders. Piloting RPA solutions will also help DOL highlight any skills or resource issues associated with the automated process that can be addressed prior to production deployment. Pilot design. During the design phase, Fila Group will collaborate with DOL to select a process for automation and develop a process definition document. The PDD consists of high-level process information, detailed step-by-step instructions of the process in its as-is phase. This document will also explicitly outline the expected benefits, both quantitative and qualitative, of the automation. Pilot development. Fila Group uses an agile framework when developing RPA solutions. We have found that the key to agile RPA delivery is to frequently produce working robots to enable frequent stakeholder feedback. A working robot is a subset of the final automated business process that creates value for the stakeholders. Therefore, our goal is to provide a minimum viable robot as soon as possible to the business stakeholders. The robot is enhanced step by step based on the feedback of the business stakeholders to create increased value for the business after each sprint. This turns the robot, bit by bit, from a good virtual worker to a great virtual worker. Pilot testing. The testing phase is designed to comprehensively review the entire scope/activity coverage of the automation. Following industry best practices, all testing is performed in a non-production environment. In addition to standard user acceptance testing, the scope of the automation may necessitate end-to-end testing. Failures mandate revisions and process discussions to resolve the root cause. Scale to production. Upon successful completion of the pilot, the robot will be moved to the production environment, where it can be accessed by its intended users. The final solution definition documents are delivered, which include the RPA coding workflows, the architecture structure of the project, evaluation and monitoring. Fila Group will work closely with DOL to identify and document those metrics that will best measure the success of implemented automations. Operations and maintenance. We will work with the Department of Labor governance bodies to provide a full range of RPA O&M support, addressing all ongoing maintenance and enhancements, technical support, and other development needs. This also includes